السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. جولة في المملكة العربية السعودية. جولة يعني traveling. جولة traveling. Traveling around Saudi. Traveling around Saudi Arabia. Alright. أخي عبد الرحمن. Oh my brother عبد الرحمن. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أكتب إليك هذا الخطاب. I am writing. أكتب يعني I am writing إليك to you for you. هذا الخطاب this letter. This letter من المملكة العربية السعودية from Saudi Arabia. I'm writing this letter to you from Saudi Arabia. وصلنا مطار جدة. We arrived at the Jeddah airport يوم السبت on Saturday الماضي on last Saturday. We arrived at Jeddah airport at Jeddah airport on last Saturday. وأثناء خروجنا and during when we were coming out, during when we were going out من المطار from the airport. أثناء means during. خروج means when we are going out. خروجنا means when we are going out من المطار from the airport. شاهدنا we saw. شاهد يشاهد من باب المفاعلة. شاهدنا we saw. شاهدت I saw. شاهدنا we saw. مدينة الحجاج we saw the pilgrims of the city. Pilgrims of the city. Hajjun means one pilgrim. Hujjaj means many pilgrims. Alright? So Madinat al-Hujjaj means pilgrims of the city. Those who perform pilgrim, those who perform Hajj. Hajjah. Alright? ووجدنا then we found. وجدت I found. ووجدنا that means we found سيارة vehicle or bus or car, something like that. We found the transport or vehicle of وزارة. وزارة means ministry or minister. وزارة المعارف that means education minister's vehicle. We found the education minister's vehicle or transport في انتظارنا. That vehicle is waiting for us. انتظارنا that means the vehicle of minister's education is waiting for us عند الباب. At the gate of the airport. This vehicle of Ministry of Education is waiting for us. And then ركبنا السيارة. We got up. We got into the vehicle or we got up the vehicle, we got up the bus or we got up the car. And وفي الطريق on the way. وفي الطريق means on the road or on the way. شاهدنا we viewed, we saw, we watched العمارات الكبيرة. عمارة means tower. عمارات means tower or buildings, many buildings, towers. الكبيرة big towers, big buildings. والحدائق and gardens, parks. حديقة means one garden. حدائق means many gardens. والحدائق many gardens. الجميلة beautiful gardens, nice gardens. وزرنا ميناء جدة and زرنا زيارة means visiting. زرنا we visited. زرت I visited. زرنا we visited ميناء جدة port. Jeddah port. Alright, we visited Jeddah port. Alright, P-O-R-T port. Mina means port. ثم then سارت we moved. سارت بنا السيارة. The vehicle moved with us. The vehicle took us. في طريق طويل on a long way. On a long road. Okay, the road was so long. We have been moving to a long way through the vehicle. وبعد ساعة after an hour. بعد means after. ساعة means an hour. After an hour. وصلنا we arrived at مكة المكرمة. We arrived at مكة المكرمة. وهناك and there. هناك means there. أدينا we performed. We performed or we accomplished. We did العمرة. We performed Umrah. Adda yuaddi means performing something. Suppose addaytu salah, I performed salah. Alright, addayna al-umrah means we performed al-umrah. Then tufna, that means we did tawaf. We did tawaf. We made a round. Tufna, tawaf. Tufna means we rounded or we had a round. Okay, that tuftu means I had a round. Tufna means we had a round. We we did tawaf. Here is going to be the correct meaning. The we did tawaf. Tufna means we did tawaf. Hawla al-Kaaba, around Kaaba. Hawla means around. All right. Hawla al-Ma'ida means around the dining table. Hawla al-Kaaba means around. What? Around the Kaaba. بملابس الإحرام, with Ihram's dress, with the dress of Ihram, we did tawaf around the Kaaba. سبع مرات, 7 times, 7 rounds. سبع means 7, مرات means times. 7 times we did tawaf around Kaaba with the dress of Ihram. وسعينا, and we did sa'i. That's an obligatory task of Hajj, alright, or Umrah. Sa'i, something like running. Sa'ina, the correct meaning here is going to be, in terms of context, is we did sa'i, like we did tawaf, alright. We cannot say here like we ran, okay, because this is a specific condition, specific situation, specific concept here. Sa'ina means we did sa'i bayna Safa wal Marwa. In between Safa and Marwa, we did sa'i. Okay, Safa and Marwa. Sab'at ashwat means 7 times or 7 round for 7 times. Thumma. Sab'a means 7. Ashwat means round or times. There's something like that. Shawtun, ashwat. Thumma sharibna, we drank. Sharibtu, sharibna, we drank. Min ma'i zamzam, we drank zamzam water. From zamzam water. Zamzam, ma'un means water. Min ma'i zamzam means zamzam water. And then we're going to the next page. Yeah, all right. Aqamna, we stayed. Aqamna, we lived or we stayed. Fi Makkah, in Makkah. We stayed in Makkah yawman wahidan, one day. Yawmun, day, wahidan means one. One day we stayed in Makkah. And then ila jiwari baitillah. Jiwar means next to, close to, near to. Jawar means next to. Jiwari baitillah means next to the Baitullah, close to Baitullah. We stayed in a hotel or in a place. The place was close to Baitullah. Jiwar Baitullah means close to, next to Baitullah. All right, Baitullah al-Haram. ثم سافرنا, then we traveled بالسيارة, with a vehicle في طريق جميل. السيارة means vehicle, car, bus, whatever it is. في طريق جميل, that means on a beautiful way, on a beautiful road. طريق جميل is on a beautiful road. بين الجبال إلى الطائف. بين الجبال, بين means in between. الجبال means a mountain. إلى الطائف, to the Taif. Then سافرنا, we traveled بالسيارة, with the vehicle في طريق جميل, on a beautiful road. بين الجبال, in between mountains. إلى الطائف, towards Taif. Taif is a place. Taif is a name of a place. All right. وهي مصيف جميل, and it was nice summer. مصيف means summer. جميل means beautiful. The condition was very nice. It was summer and the summer was nice. يبعد مسافة. مسافة means distance. All right. The distance was 50 ميلا or milan. The distance was around 50 miles. All right. The distance was 50 miles. يبعد means it gets long, something like that. Masafat means distance. All right. The distance was what? The distance was 50 ميلا. All right. That means 50 miles. إلى الجنوب, to the south. To south mean Makkah. Towards mean Makkah. From Makkah the Taif, the place was 50 miles away to the south. All right, إلى الجنوب means to the south. Min Makkah, this means from Makkah, the Taif was to the south and the distance was 50 miles. وأكلنا, then we ate, we took min فاكهتنا اللذيذة, delicious fruits. We ate delicious fruits. وشربنا, then we drank. We drank min مائها العذب, then we drank it's what? Sweet. Adh means udh, or adh means sweet. We drank, nice or sweet water or sweet drinks, sweet juice, something like that. الذيذة هنا is delicious. فاكهة means fruits. All right. وفي يوم الاثنين, and on Monday. يوم السبت is Saturday. يوم الأحد is Sunday, and يوم الاثنين is Monday. On Monday سافرنا. وفي اليوم الاثنين, on Monday سافرنا, we traveled بالحافلة, with the bus, إلى المدينة المنورة, to the مدينة منورة. وهناك, and there, هناك, there صلينا, we prayed. صلى يصلي من باب التفعيل. صلينا بمسجد الرسول صلى الله عليه وسلم. So in Medina, what did we do in Medina? We prayed at the mosque of Prophet, peace be upon him. صلينا. ومن المدينة, and from Medina سافرنا, we traveled بالطائرة, with the aeroplane, إلى الرياض, to the capital city of Saudi Arabia. The name is Riyadh. عاصمة المملكة العربية السعودية. عاصمة means capital city of Saudi Arabia. وهي مدينة كبيرة, and it's a big city. هي مدينة كبيرة. شوارعها, شارع means road, شوارع means roads, many roads. شوارعها واسعة, its roads are big, large, all right, wide. ومبانيها حديثة, and its buildings are modern, its buildings are new. All right, everything looks so glittering, new, modern. All right, حديثة means modern, new. مباني means buildings. All right. وهناك, and there زرنا. زرنا means we visited. المتحف, متحف means museum. We visited Museum Al-Watani, the National Museum. وبرج الرياض, and we also visited what? Burj means tower. Riyadh means Riyadh Tower. We also visited Riyadh Tower. Okay, so we are going to end. And then finally, سنبقى, سنبقى, we will be staying. Sin is for future. نبقى means we will be staying. بقى. نبقى, تبقى means you will be staying. سنبقى means we will be staying. سأبقى means I will be staying. سنبقى, we will be staying في الرياض, in Riyadh. 3 أيام, 3 days. يوم واحد, أيام, plural, جمع. 3 أيام, 3 days. ثم then نسافر, we will be traveling. سافر يسافر من باب المفاعلة. We will be traveling إلى Ghana, to the country Ghana, بإذن الله, with the permission of Allah, if Allah wants. فإلى اللقاء. So I'm gonna see you again قريبا. I'm gonna see you soon inshallah ta'ala. فإلى اللقاء means I'm gonna see you soon. قريبا means see you soon. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أخوك أبو بكر, your brother Abu Bakr. السلام عليكم.